Hey, welcome to my channel Fun Learning Junior. Fun Learning Junior. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. English Balbharti Standard 5. Lesson 1. What a bird thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, "The world is made of leaves. I have been very blind." At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe, share and like.